Okay, so this is Amy. Of course, you know that, duh. I'm doing an official video of this to show the tree, despite all the bazillion pictures we've taken, show the tree that got hit by lightning. As you can see, there's sort of a scorch mark where you can see where the lightning kind of came down, hit the tree and came down. Come around here, see that part there. We have all of this, and here, coming around, and then going around the bush here. You see, here we go. Here's what greets us as we're coming up the driveway, basically. This, like this. We have to come around here, and you see this. We're practically like halfway off the driveway just to get around this monstrosity. Kind of like that. But all this, and then going under here. Get got all this mess in here. Got all this. You can see all the extra branches and limbs and stuff like that that came down with it. See where that kind of snapped there. There's a close-up of that. Again, a little bit of the scorch marks. You can see, I don't know why I'm pointing. The scorch marks you could see on the tree. Come down. There's another part branched off of the main, I guess, trunk part that came off. And we've got all of this here. And get a little bit over here. There's an even better close-up. Up there. But yeah, this beauty is gonna cost us $600. Someone's coming out tomorrow to take care of it. They're gonna leave the larger chunks behind so we can use it for firewood. But yeah, $600. Get this out of the yard and kind of clean up the tree just a little bit. So there you are.